Hello and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about setting up the third generation Echo Dot as a controller for your smart home. That is, you'll be able to control power outlets, light bulbs, and I'll even show you how to set up routines to make this smart home a little bit smarter. Let's get started. Before we dive into setting up a smart home, let's talk about why you might want to. For instance, convenience. It's pretty convenient to be able to turn lights on and off with your voice. The Echo Dot is also great for those who are elderly or have health issues. We have an elderly neighbor who had fallen twice, and in both cases was able to reach us by calling us through her Amazon Echo. Additionally, you can save money by turning your lights off at scheduled intervals, so you're not wasting electricity when it's no longer needed. So here we have a number of examples of smart home devices that you might want to use. For instance, the third generation Echo Dot, which we have here, will allow you to easily turn your home into a smart home. If you're not happy with the speakers, you can use Bluetooth to connect to external speakers. You can connect to your Amazon Fire TV. You can listen to music. It can do all kinds of things. These little tan power outlets are very handy as well. They're small and you can put them easily in any of your outlets and turn them into a smart outlet. This makes it super easy to power on and off just about any device you could imagine. If you have a lamp or a ceiling fan with lights, these light bulbs are fantastic. All you have to do is screw them into your existing ceiling fan or lamp, and you can turn them on and off using your Echo Dot. One device that we're not going to discuss in this video is the Fire TV stick, which is also very nice for being able to view cameras and so much more. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the Echo Dot and we'll get it all set up. Alright, here we go. Let's take a quick look here. On the back side, you've got your power, your auxiliary output. This is your action button, your mute, and then your volume up and down. Additionally, you have 4 little microphones here. That's how the Echo Dot is able to detect your audio positioning. Let's see what's in the box. Aside from a couple little manuals, you have your power adapter. So you take this in and plug it into the back. Now let's go ahead and do that. Plug the power in and plug the other end into the wall.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Amazon's made it easier to hook up your Amazon Echo.
Your device is ready.
Next, we'll want to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the application to our phone. So we'll type it in. And if you see install, click install. Otherwise, we're going to hit open. Then we're going to go to the menu here. And we're going to add a device. Go to Echo. And click the third generation in this case. So to activate it, we're going to hold down the action button here. It'll put it in a setup mode. Takes about 6 seconds or so.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So from here, we'll just click continue. And we'll select the manual setup. And yes, we see the rings, so we'll say yes. And now we need to change our Wi-Fi over to the Echo Dot. So we'll swipe down, select the settings icon, go to connections, and we'll select Wi-Fi, and we'll select the Amazon Echo Dot that we see here. Once connected,
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
we'll just hit back, and then the application will detect that we're connected, and we'll continue. Now it's going to ask for our Wi-Fi network, so we'll select our Wi-Fi network. And I'm going to speed this process up. It takes a couple of minutes.
Your Echo is ready.
Then we click continue. And let's go ahead and give it a name. This is typically the room where the Echo Dot is going to be located. So we'll type something in, master bedroom, and continue. Now the Echo Dot setup is complete, and we can start to connect our plugs. Alright, so here we go. Here's our Tan power plugs. We're going to go ahead and remove this safety cover here. And there is a button that you are not seeing here. It's over on the left-hand side. You can use that to manually turn lights on and off if need be. We're going to go ahead and plug it in here. And we'll go ahead and grab some holiday lights. Yeah! Stormtroopers! I'm not sure what holiday I'm celebrating here, but let's go ahead and set them up anyway. So again, you want to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and load Smart Life and install if it's not already installed. I'm going to go ahead and click open. And you'll see a lot of different devices. We want the very top one, socket Wi-Fi. Hold the button down on the plug for about 5 seconds till it starts blinking. Hit confirm and log into your Wi-Fi network. And it'll take just a few moments and it'll go ahead and connect up to the power plug. And we'll click the little edit button up here. And we'll give our plug a name. I'll back out of this and change it to Holiday Lights. Hit save. And then we'll hit done. And then we'll move into the skills and games by clicking here. And we'll look up the same skill that we just used. So we click the search icon, and then we'll type in the Smart Life skill. And then we'll select the skill. And this is the skill that will handle the communications over to your plug. This gives you some ideas of what you could say. We'll go ahead and tap Settings. And you'll use the login and password that you used to connect your plug. Alexa, turn the holiday light on. Alexa, turn the holiday light off. Success! Alexa, turn the holiday light on. Alexa, turn the holiday light off. Great! Now let's hook up a light bulb to a lamp. This could very easily be an overhead ceiling fan or any kind of lamp that you want to use it with. There's our light bulb. There's no buttons on it or anything. let's look in the box here. I want to make sure that I know what application I need to use. And cool, it's the same application we use for the plug. Yep. So we're basically going to do the same thing. Let's get going. There's my lamp. There's my bulb. Just screw it in. And we'll plug it in. And notice when you plug it in, it's going to keep blinking until you set it up. So you want to set it up fairly quick. Unless you just like strobe light effects. Alright. Now we're going to go back into the Smart Life application. And we'll click the plus sign in the upper right to add a new device. And we'll select lighting and our lighting Wi-Fi bulb. Of course, it's already blinking, although I'm hiding that from you right now so it doesn't annoy the crap out of you. So we're going to hit confirm. We're going to log into our Wi-Fi network. And we're going to click the little edit button up here and change the bulb name to Master Bedroom Lamp, for lack of a better name. Hit save. And now it is set up. And since it's using the same skill as the other one, it can already be controlled by your voice. Sweet. So let's check it out. Alexa, turn the master bedroom lamp off. Alexa, turn the master bedroom lamp on. Now we're going to create a few routines to automate our home. So we'll go into the Alexa application. And then we'll go into the devices icon down here in the lower right. And we'll click the plus sign. Next, we'll add a group. And we'll call the group Holiday. We'll hit next. And now we're going to tell it we want our holiday lights to come on. So we'll check this. And we'll go ahead and give it the master bedroom lamp that we just set up. We'll go ahead and turn that on too, just for demonstration purposes. And we'll click save. Alright, so now we have two lights associated with the group. We'll hit the menu button. We'll go to routines. And we'll create a new routine. We'll hit the plus sign. When this happens, which is a schedule, we'll go ahead and set the at time to, let's say, 8 p.m. So we'll set it to 8:00 and tap the p.m. And we'll click OK. And we'll click the repeat and tell it we want to repeat every day. Hit next. And now we'll hit the plus sign. We'll say Smart Home, and now we're going to turn on the lights. So we'll go to our control group, which is our holiday lights. And if you don't see it, just pull down and refresh. And now you see the holiday. So we'll select that. And then we will hit next. And we'll click save. And that'll save our configuration for this routine. You can repeat the same to turn it off at a certain time as well, which is a good idea. Alright, let's go ahead and hit plus here, and we'll do something a little different. We'll go to voice. And now when we say wake up, we'll have her do something different. We'll go to add action, and we'll have her say something. So we'll tap here, we'll scroll down to weather, and we'll have her report the weather to us. And additionally, let's go ahead and turn a light on. So we'll move down to Smart Home. We'll go to Lights. And we'll scroll down to the one we just created, the master bedroom lamp. Tap Next. And then we'll tap Power. And on is good, so we'll hit Next. And then we'll go to Choose Device. And we'll say the device that we're speaking to. And hit Save. And now we have a routine created. Let's check it out. Alexa, wake up.
In Ardmore, it's 59 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 75 degrees and a low of 59 degrees.
Alexa, good night.
Good night, Wagner's Tech Talk fans. Please click like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you want to see more.